Here is a video of our dogs. Thought that you might be interested. We have a pom, we have a schnauzer, we have Missy the daschund, and Sally the Chinese crested. And then we have Stanley the Chalky, and William is a daschund. And there we have two noisy chihuahuas. And the pride and joy is there. That's Ollie, the daschund. So that makes us have 10 dogs. Here's the last one. That's Rosie the poodle. We do breed. We are actually now breeding the daschund, and we're breeding the poodle, and we're breeding the baby schnauzer. So anyone interested, let us know. They should all be here for Christmas. Prices vary, but we are not over the top like some people. We sell our dogs to nice homes at a reasonable price. So we will be having poodles, we will be having daschunds, and we will be having mini schnauzers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave feedback. Let me know what you think, and if you're interested in any dogs, we do live in Colchester, so be in contact. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.